It's amazing how many hidden capabilities and tricks are still undiscovered on cell phones, which have become extensions of our own selves in a world where they are. Welcome to a journey of discovery as we reveal the top 5 tricks for mastering smartphones in 2023. Not only are these tips practical, they can completely change the way you use your smartphone. These suggestions are meant to make your life easier and more productive, from improving your photography abilities to preserving battery life. So buckle up, because we're about to go on an engrossing journey, discovering the digital treasures that are inside your pocket. You're about to find your strongest ally in your smartphone. Let's start. Currency conversion lock screen. Consider yourself visiting a foreign nation and being able to instantly obtain the most recent currency rates on your lock screen by just glancing at your smartphone. Your vacation experience can be completely changed by using this clever 2023 currency conversion method. No more juggling multiple apps or trying to figure out how much money you've spent. You may ensure seamless and cost-effective travel by making a currency conversion chart on your lock screen. This way, you'll always be ready to make wise financial decisions. This useful function makes your smartphone an indispensable travel companion by enabling you to easily keep track of your costs, whether you're dining, shopping, or sightseeing. When traveling, bid adieu to financial strain and hello to easy currency exchange at your fingertips. Enhanced audio recording. It's easy to improve your audio recording experience with this straightforward yet powerful tip. By covering the microphone on your smartphone, you can quickly cut out irritating background noise. This implies that whether you're recording lectures, interviews, or voice memos, your recordings will sound cleaner, crisper, and more professional. This practical tip is a game changer for anyone who uses their smartphone to capture high-quality sound recordings, since it makes sure that your audio always takes center stage. Every recording session will have flawless audio quality instead of annoying background noise. Charger cord spiral trick. For everyone who is sick of putting up with the inconvenience of twisted, disorganized charger cords, the charger cord spiral trick will alter their life. This easy-to-use yet efficient method involves encircling your charger cord around a thick pen and neatly spiralizing it with a low-temperature blow dryer. By using this technique, you may prolong the life of your cord and save wear and tear, in addition to keeping it neat and untangled. A more orderly, long-lasting charging option is here to replace the frustration of untangling cables. Sunglasses lens photography. You may quickly improve your smartphone photography skills with the clever yet easy trick known as sunglasses lens photography. You may successfully reduce glare and improve the quality of your outside photographs by putting your sunglasses in front of your smartphone's camera lens, making them more bright and striking. This simple tip guarantees your smartphone camera works at its best, giving your images a professional touch without requiring pricey gear or editing software. Perfect for taking beautiful landscapes, candid moments in the sun, or outdoor portraits. Battery-saving dark background. Adding a black background to your smartphone is one of the best ways to increase its battery life. This easy-to-use yet effective tip works particularly well with AMOLED screen devices. Using a black background lowers the amount of energy your display uses because black pixels on these panels don't emit any light. This change will result in a noticeable boost in the amount of time your phone can go between charges, giving you peace of mind that your device will last longer and be available for your important tasks when you need it most. We are grateful that you could come along on this fascinating journey through the world of smartphone secrets. We hope these 2023 best practices have been both useful and enlightening for you. You now know how to fully utilize the amazing tool that is your smartphone. Please consider leaving a review if you found this video to be helpful. Just click the like button, select subscribe to receive our newest material, and share this video with your friends to help them out. Watch this space for additional tech-savvy advice and creative time savers. You now have a smartphone as an ally, and the adventure is just getting started.